Angles in the alternate segments. So this is an activity for geometry. So let's start in geometry and draw ourselves a circle. So we tap once on the screen for the center of the circle, and then once for we can change the circumference, but once for a point on the circumference. And next we want to construct a tangent to the circle somewhere down over here. So we use the draw, construct, tangent to curve, and by tapping on the curve over here, a tangent is constructed to the curve at that point. Our next job is to complete the triangle. So we use the line segment tool here, and we'll connect C and B together, and then C to some point D, maybe up over here, D to B, and B to C. So we've got our triangle here, and what we're trying to look at is the connection between the angle between DC and this line, and the angle between BC and this, the angle up at B, isn't it, in here, would be in the alternate segment. So let's pop a point on the line up here so that we can refer to that as point E. So we're looking at angle ECD and angle DBC. So ideally now we want to get some measurements going of those angles. So we'll tap on the measurement toolbar, and let's start by with the first angle here. So between this tangent and DC. And if I tap onto the angle icon here, the angle's displayed. It pops a copy out onto the work surface here. And if I bring up the keyboard now, I could actually name that angle as, what should we call that one? DCE. So here we go, from the ABC menu, we'll get capitals DCE. I'll tap equals. Oh, I got a Z in there for some reason. Let's get rid of that. And tap execute. If I hide the keyboard, you can see now DCE is kind of up here, so that when we animate things or move things later, we'll be able to see that this angle is always displayed up here. We'll do the same for this angle in the alternate segment. So tap onto it and it's popped down. We'll grab the keyboard. And this angle is DBC, so DBC, and tap execute, and again hide the keyboard. So now we've got both angles, except let's just add in an equals at the end there as well to tidy it up. That's great. Right, we're ready to go. So we've got copies of the angles here. Now our job really is just to see what happens to this angle here and this angle here as we move D around, and it looks like these two are staying put. This angle in here, and this, maybe move it up to there.